megapixel 1-inch sensor and a fast 4.2x zoom lens. I'm Lori Grunin, and this is the Canon PowerShot G7 X. The camera has a typical design for its type, although with the physical exposure compensation dial, it's a little photo nerdier than Sony's take on the same camera. The controls are relatively big and easy to feel, and it's got 3 ways to launch Wi-Fi connectivity via the controls. Like a lot of cameras these days, it's got a flip-up display for selfies and groupies, with must-have features like display mirroring and face detection and wink shutter. Unfortunately, it uses the blinding focus assist light as its countdown timer, and the display can be very reflective in sunlight. As with other cameras that have one, I like the control ring, which you can program to operate for a variety of different mode-specific functions. I'm sad that you can't tilt the flash, though. The photos look better than those of the RX100 series, despite the use of a similar Sony sensor. You can safely shoot JPEGs up to about ISO 1600, ISO 6400 if you're not real picky or shoot RAW. It's got a decent tonal range, with slightly better highlight and shadow detail than Sony's version. The default color settings saturate too much for my taste, and unfortunately the neutral color option isn't available in conjunction with any of the RAW choices. The video's good though, with few artifacts, although it's not terribly sharp. The one significant disappointment with the G7X is performance. Although it has solid continuous shooting speed at about 4.6 frames per second with autofocus, the rest of its speed is subpar. I also experienced some issues with the autofocus. And the battery life? Meh. Canon's mobile app also ranks as subpar. It hasn't changed much, and the remote controls are beyond basic. If all you care about in a $700 camera is photo quality, then this is a great choice. If you need something a little more well-rounded, check out some other options before committing. I'm Lori Grunin, and this is the Canon PowerShot G7 X.